Hi, my name is Kevin Tochik. Today we're going to talk about how to maintain your existing concrete. The first thing that you need to do to maintain your concrete is to clean it on a regular basis. Over the winter, salts can build up, which can cause damage to your concrete. Also, if you have an oil spill or any other type of stain, that needs to be cleaned right away. Interior maintenance of concrete floors, of course, includes regular cleaning. You need to be applying, if you do have a polished floor, a polish guard and will need to be burnished. If you have an existing stained floor that has an acrylic sealer or an epoxy or urethane, it does help to apply a floor finish to these floors. Exterior concrete needs to be maintained by regular cleaning. These will help remove salts that have come off your car from the road and any spills or petroleum products that have settled in. Also, sealing your exterior concrete will help maintain it and protect it over its lifetime. If you have concrete that needs to be cleaned or sealed, give us a call at Big Red Decorative Concrete.